Happy 11/5/2020 for the Bulls. Yes, finally have come back. I have the S&P 500 monthly chart, but once again, like we said, September and October were straight down. This is purely the election trade and how they work. And they did sell it down going into, then pop it, 3 day rally, three
Senator, I
up
wanted to ask you
days
about a
in a
report this
row
morning from
with
Mike
three
Allen,
gap, open
the
bell
report
gap ups,
assumes
and off to
that
the
Joe Biden wins the
races. What?
presidency and also
We
assumes
go.
McConnell
Not only
keeps the
that,
Senate
here I'm going to
majority. Says
show
that
the
if that's
major
the case,
resistance
that
levels
McConnell plans to prevent Joe Biden from.
so that everybody can see them and understand that we're going to be approaching the monthly highs of where the selling started, and that bear reversal was a 60-day bear reversal with a pop back up on a presidential rally what trade. And this is the time where all the short sellers got gang banged in the market. They never know when to come out, just like the bulls. They never know when to sell either. But that's neither here nor there. What it is, it's a 3 day rally, and it's the same 3 day rally we had in April. And so, as the short sellers and the short interest in the exchanges and short interest in stocks got heavily on top of the market, well, they have to buy the cover to get out, and that torpedoes them up. Then, when the markets gap up in the morning, like today, another big gap up. Oh, yes, with the presidential election behind it, let's take a look at the weekly on the what? S&P. And here's the thing that we like about it. You can see right up here where we're going to come. You can see that where we had one, two, three complete down weeks in a row in the selling, and then we've had gap up. This is the presidential. So you need to know what your presidential week looks like, and it's happened as it is going down and votes are being counted. The resistance levels and whatnot are over here. Earnings season is starting to wind down. We have a seasonality period. The way that presidential elections work is that you run instead of them selling the futures down on the day of whoever the winner was, they went ahead and torpedoed and just sold the market down for a really good 3 weeks back over here in September, and then a rally up, and then a big another 3 weeks of selling in October, and then we have a 3 day punch to resistance right up here at the tops. So we just want people to know that once you get the move going, and seasonality is definitely on your side. However, I would caution everybody the magnitude of the gap open up for 3 consecutive days in a row gets to a point where on the third day was very, very important. And then price action at resistance is very, very, very important. And then what is going on in the option pit and how to trade options, very, very, very important. So 35.14 is a target up there, and we're going to be looking at the 35.50 area. And then if we break above that area, 35.88 was our all-time highs. So we'll just do what we always do best. Price action and support and resistance, and good luck to the presidential trade to everybody. It's the best 3 day run since April. NASDAQ at a 3 week high as well. So once again, the bulls have been able to come back, but the bull is only back for 3 days in a row. So, but they're big days, and that's what counts. And everything has changed. You're above the weekly moving averages. You're above the 50 week. You're back above the 10 week to go up there on resistance. Oh, yeah. No, yeah, you are. And that's awfully good for the bull. You're above the 50-day simple moving average, back above the, let us not forget, the 20-day. And you can see the body of the price, and there is the top of that wick from yesterday. So you can see the daily, the 50-day moving average is going to be support now. We were below the 50-day, we broke it, and we went down hard, and we had the turn. And the fear indicator is at very low levels, and it peaked, and it confirmed a 3-day run. Here's the 3-day breakout. Each day, big gap up, presidential trade, there it is. Equities are acting real good. We'll be covering those, but we will give you a cautious tone to the market.